Suppose there is a brain, floating in a chemically rich fluid, that molecule for molecule is just like your own. Since this brain is a duplicate of what is in your head, would it think the same thoughts? Gazing down at the grid of grey matter, watching the thoughts flash through encoded fluorescence, flowing through the network, the present is lost in a haze of memories and speculation. How can you look into the thinking machine without thinking about thinking? These brain cells sparking into communication. But without a body, are these cells even working in the same way as identical cells would do, entwined in a head, bombarded by signals from sense receptors, creating a reality? Inside every mind is a cosmos, a self-contained understanding of existence. Let's plug in a memory, or erase a feeling, suture, trauma, into the loop of seared synapses, guttural grunts and soliloquies, crushed egos and similes, like as not, the garbage rotated and disseminated with the maintenance, sleep, cleaning your soul for new nightmares and faded dreamscapes, unfettered and fettered, recoiling once more before the razor of invented devices, tools, toil and hard labour, bear witness to the sequence of saviours, sibilant sonic sweeps of the sector, scan the cellular matrix, play tricks on the mind, fix the saline solution, sharp freeze to forego crystalline structures, induce rapture, cortex ruptured. All these moments, rendered in grey flesh, a series of organic switches interacting to create every glance, every tear, every surge of endorphins, trillions of interactions sculpted into memories and dreams, into a thought that changes the world. The one irreplaceable component generating a veil of understanding, of comprehension, as elusive as dark energy, the self, formed through layers of cells and synapses. The upload has been corrupted. Restart or shut down. What were you thinking? When we look at a brain, we like to see how it develops, and then how it decays. Look at how the brains are grown. They look simple, but their looks are deceptive. Just like any other brain, these organoids are divided into grey matter made of neurons and the fine connective tissue, like wire or arms, linking it all together. As with almost everything, you'll see warning signs of something going bad. Memory is not an exception. Here are some signs to look out for. Memory can be lost due to inherent problems. If everything's been working normally, but suddenly out of nowhere things have become corrupt, it's possible that you're experiencing a gradual failure. If you're experiencing sounds and images that you aren't familiar with, this could also be bad news. Borked is slang, particularly used about complex devices. It is a synonym for broken, damaged, or out of order. To balk is to break in almost any way. Borked can be used to completely replace break, and especially pertains to rendering something completely unusable, similar to bricking, balked, broken. In the future, there's not much you can do to prevent things from going bad. It's just a fact of life. Wear and tear will eventually destroy everything. There's no getting around it. The main thing you can do is to create things often. That way, there'll be a way of remembering who you are.